In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Windows 11 taskbar. This process is straightforward and can significantly streamline your daily scheduling tasks by putting your calendar right at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by going directly to calendar.google.com and logging into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, look towards the top right corner where you'll spot the profile icon. Beside this icon, you'll find three vertical dots. This is your options menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Cast, Save, and Share. While these might sound like usual actions, you will specifically look for an option that says Create Shortcut. This is the key component that allows you to give your Google Calendar a permanent spot on your desktop or taskbar. By selecting Create Shortcut, you're essentially telling your browser to treat Google Calendar as a standalone application on your computer, which means easier access without needing to go through multiple browser tabs. Once the shortcut has been created, it'll usually appear on your desktop. This next step is crucial. With your mouse, click, hold, and drag the Google Calendar shortcut down to your taskbar. You should see your taskbar highlight, signifying that it can accept the new addition. Simply drop the shortcut there. You'll notice it fits perfectly alongside your existing taskbar icons, providing easy one-click access to your schedule whenever you need it. Having your Google Calendar directly on your taskbar makes it instantly accessible. This can be particularly useful for those of us who rely heavily on keeping our appointments and meetings organized through Google Calendar. Not only does it save several clicks and seconds each time you need to check your schedule, but it also keeps your digital workspace tidy. No more digging through open tabs or browser windows. Your agenda is just one click away. And there you have it, a simple way to integrate Google Calendar into your Windows 11 taskbar, ensuring your important dates and times are always within easy reach. Give this method a try and enjoy a more efficient way to manage your time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.